你好 everyone, it's me Brittany, aka 不然你也要怎样？今天我的影片真的很特别，因为这个影片是 all about 我的妈妈她的 visit to Taiwan. Now, it's not my mom's first time to Taiwan, but 我真的很喜欢 it's her best time to Taiwan. 因为下次她来台湾 her visit was far from great. She was literally in the hospital for basically her entire trip. 然后呢 she just had leg surgery this past fall. So I really hope that she can make some good memories. She can have a happy and healthy visit. Spend time with me, 我的儿子，我的老公，然后真的很爱 Formosa, 台湾，我的家。好，看一看吧。
You excited?
Yeah.
See who?
Grandma!
Grandma?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
My grandma's in USA and I'm excited to see it after and we will go back to this hotel.
About 6 a.m. going to go pick up my mom. 我很兴奋。
还有啊
很棒。
Show your sign, show your sign.
呀
Other side, other side. 啊，这是来了。Right?
Oh, yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Yours?
Get someone hold it for me. Get someone hold it for me. Get someone hold it for me. Get someone hold it for me.
Right.
Cause I'm not back yet.
Not yet. Almost.
Should we go sit down?
You want to sit down?
Oh, you gotta do the peace sign, huh? Hang on. Give me a hug. Oh. Hi.
I see Hello Kitty.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Okay,
What's that?
we have the like easy card, so you put money on it and then you can just, you don't have to buy like the coin every time.
Okay.
You can
And he's
go.
got it on his Batman?
Yeah, this is
Cool.
Oh my God! Wow!
See my maker.
Is that for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
To go first?
You just put it inside here,
Oh.
like coin. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Hey, for school you cannot wake up, but then
But for
grandma.
Oh, I know. You're so excited to see you. Oh, wow.
Hi, Grandma. This is not.
All right.
This is not for cheese. This is video.
Okay. There's so many.
Yeah, and I saw you were lost in the airport.
Well, you know, I'm just slow.
Oh, I love you so much.
Oh, I love you so much. I've been waiting to hug you for all the days. Yes.
He do the stuff on my heel.
Mom, what did you just say about this bus?
It's pretty. What?
My mom just, as we were driving, she goes, oh, what a pretty bus.
It is.
This is how all the buses in Taiwan look.
Okay, well, you
This
know-
is like the tour bus, yeah.
Guys, look at the plane up there, Thor. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
From the hotel.
that necklace is really pretty. It's got
Look at
like,
that one from the hotel.
yeah. Oh, and he disappeared. He's up in the clouds.
No tires, like just laying around, or tire
Exactly.
pieces.
Yeah, no garbage on the side of the road.
Yeah. And you said, what about the architecture?
It's so different. It's very diverse.
Very.
It's not just one style. It's all different.
Yeah. Do you know what that is?
A taxi?
Yes.
Yes.
That was in New York. Yellow.
I know. I just wanted to see if she would be like tricked by my question.
What's that? The yummiest food ever in the hotel.
That's so
And
fun.
Zix.
What did she say? Where's the best place for Grandma to go when she comes to Taiwan?
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
真好。
So one of the
Look at
first
my
things that you
sister.
notice when you came here is just how much more humid it is.
Right away, I noticed that I could feel the humidity.
Yes.
I said it's getting hot in here.
Even when you just first got off the airplane.
Yeah, right when we actually, we're like walking into the airport.
Yeah. It is. But better for your skin.
Yes.
But you have nice skin.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, is that a Buddha right there? What is that? Over there to the left.
Yeah, Buddha.
Cool.
So, second trip to Taiwan. The first trip, you were in the hospital most of the time.
Yep.
So, this second trip, I think, will be a great trip.
I think
Right?
so too.
I think
Yep.
we're going to rewrite your time in Taiwan.
Okay, that would be good.
I think Canteen will be the perfect
No,
place
to the hospital.
to take you. Right?
That's pretty. I didn't know it would be so hilly.
Yeah. Mountain, right?
Yeah, but I thought the mountains are like, I didn't realize that they were like right here. I thought they were far away.
No, in my city, we're surrounded by mountains. Taichung means surrounded by mountains, right? The
Really?
name.
Actually, all Taiwan are very close to mountain.
Close to mountains, but Taichung, the name Taichung means,
Center of Taiwan.
oh yeah, Zhong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why were all those clothes hanging outside, like from apartments?
This?
No, what she asked why all the clothes were hanging like off someone's balcony.
Because we have sunlight, nature, dry.
Yeah.
Okay. Rather than using like a gas dryer
Yes.
or electric dryer.
Yeah. Good for the environment.
I was thinking I have something I brought that's wrinkly,
Yeah.
and I thought, oh, I'll hang it outside because it's so humid here. It will take my wrinkles out.
No, I don't think
It won't. It won't. I thought it would. You sure?
We can
I'm
try
gonna-
it. We
I'm
can
gonna
try.
it.
Okay. What? No. This is even at the job fair. My partner and I, we got into an argument because I just learned this year. Taiwan is not. What did you think?
I thought it was a tropical island.
It's not tropical. It's subtropical.
What's that mean?
It just means it's close to being tropical, but it's a little bit.
沿着国道1号继续走5公里。
Oh, the Tropic of Cancer?
Yeah, just not almost there. Part of it is in the Tropic of Cancer, but not all.
Oh my lord. That is big.
You think Grandma can use chopsticks?
I used them before.
Okay,
Last
good.
time I was here,
You can
remember?
use finger. This is she. It's okay.
I can
Okay,
use
yeah.
chopsticks. I know how to use chopsticks.
Oh, okay, good.
Although I do feel like it is kind of like torture. You're trying to pick up a little piece of rice with 2 sticks. That's like,
So yeah, you just use
But-
hand.
The next morning.
well, that one doesn't have any.
But I only have one to eat.
Well, then you could take it off.
Like radish, white
I
radish.
was gonna say, does it taste like an onion? Kind of spicy.
No, not spicy, but it does have like
Is
a
it for
distinct
me?
flavor.
It's like a hash brown, but it tastes like potato.
Tastes like potato. Yeah.
Very good. Yeah, that's like comfort food. Thank you.
Yum, right?
You?
Wow. It's like a nice, different way to eat the egg.
It was both for you.
Different than eating
Big
it
bites.
with toast. Yeah, big bites.
Big bites.
Yeah, big bites. Yeah, yeah. Well, you know why? Richie, show her how you always bite your food.
In half, do they?
I cannot do this.
Okay.
Use your front teeth.
Oh, okay.
That one's so good, right? The bacon and cheese.
Yeah.
That's like American Koei.
Oh, so good.
Yeah. Make what
But
the
I
Koei.
really like this.
Oh,
is a
local.
Continue.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let me try.
But this is Hong Kong flavor, right?
Yeah.
Babe, Hong Kong style?
Yeah, they want some of that. Yeah.
That's so good.
Yeah.
Outside crunchy, inside that.
Tastes like potato.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one. What is this one?
Cheese.
Just cheese.
Oh.
Cheese. Good.
Mm.
So which one's your favorite out of all the dumping?
I mean, probably the cheese, to be
Just
honest.
the cheese, yeah. Simple,
That's
nice,
just,
simple
just
cheese
it?
egg.
that's good too. It's a little fishy
Okay.
for the breakfast. I'm not used to eating fish in the morning.
Okay.
So, but it's everything is very good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. So what did you think about my school? What are your impressions?
Well, everybody was very friendly.
Grandma.
Lots of
The pink
smiles.
one's grandma.
Okay. And it was so colorful. And I love how they had all the pictures of the kids and the March Madness. I thought that was cool because I never thought I'd see anything that says March Madness in Taiwan. And everybody just very nice and friendly. And the kids seemed all really well behaved.
Did they seem happy?
They seem very happy.
Yeah.
Yes, very sweet.
Yeah.
Very sweet kids. Yes.
Do you like when grandma comes to your school?
Yes.
What's that? Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
And everybody said that you look so young. It was really cute. We went to Yo-Yo Ban,
That's
and one of my students said, I said, oh, this is my 我的妈妈. And one said, huh? 像姐姐. When Yo-Yo Ban. How 像姐姐?
What's that mean?
Like my big sister. Yeah, looks like big sister.
Whole bridge,
That's
bridge.
she's Bumba.
You never told me about the bridges here.
Because it's McDonald's with his Bumba.
McDonald's.
You can take go to work.
Yes.
Where you got before work.
Oh yeah, and then this is the harbor where you can go to all the different islands. Green Island, Chaliocho.
There's. I didn't know that there was.
Around Taiwan have some small islands.
Yeah, a lot.
I didn't know that.
Grandma.
It's sweet and salty.
Yeah.